I wanted to do this quick video making some tea, and I really want to send some love out to a little 2 years old little girl in the state of Texas. Her mom is a subscriber to my channel. Sh- Her name is Violet. Violet, welcome to Shell's Island Flavor Cooking. She likes my intro. She watches my video, a little 2 year old. So Violet, sending love to you from Shell's Island Flavor Cooking. So quickly in this video, I'll be doing a quick tea. Now we're in the flu season, the cold season, and we know about the big C, which I caught. Yes, the COVID I caught. Now, once you have a cold or COVID, warm stuff is normally really, really good for us to consume. So here I am making up some Jamaican tea that I used ever so often, and most importantly when we all got sick. My entire household got sick. Don't throw away your orange peel. It is nourishing. It is good. You can use it to make tea. So I use some orange peel, some turmeric. I use some soursop leaf. I use some ginger. And lastly but not least, some cerase. Yes, cerase. We get it here in the state that I reside. If you want to purchase this, you can purchase this on Amazon or at the West Indian stores or grocery stores that sells a lot of these bushes. Let me tell you something. Back home in Jamaica, cerase, soursop leaf, the orange peel, my grandmother would dry the orange peel. Let me tell you something, those bushes works wonders. So I wanted to share with you all because we're in cold season, the flu season, and we know of the issue with the big C out now. And warm is always good for stomachs when we're sick. I also used lemon in the ones I did when we were all sick, but this one I did not put lemon in it. The cerase makes it a little bitter. The turmeric has a different taste too, but anything that's good for us, it doesn't normally taste good. So I just wanted to share this out there with persons. I use turmeric, ginger, soursop leaf, cerase, and orange peel to make some tea. Again, big up yourself. Sending love to my subscribers from all over, and I'm shouting out Violet in Texas, Shell's Island Flavor, sending love to you. Continue to dance to my intro. Love you. Thank you again all for subscribing, and I sweeten this with a little honey after straining it. This tea is good. This is something you can even drink every day. We need this nourishment. We already know turmeric, the benefits of turmeric, the benefits of even ginger. It's good for our immune system. So add this to your list, and the next time you go shopping, try to get all these ingredients. Again, thank you for tuning in to Shell's Island Flavor. Love you all. Stay blessed. God is love. See you soon in my next video. Stay tuned. Thank you. This is a really short video. Thank you for the continued support. Share my videos. Like this video. Leave a comment. I'll get back to you. Stay tuned and see you soon again. Friday, I'll be dropping another video for you all. Stay blessed. Love you all. See you soon. This is my immune tea. Yes. Stay tuned.